안녕하세요, Ina.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver salset for you. You have 25 kilos of rice, cans, and also milk. Okay, and you also have 500 pesos pocket money. Okay, and that is all from Amagetonim, Chajihunim, Handulnim, and We Paramnim.
아마게도님, 자지호님, 한돌님, 위파랑님, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
바이바이.
안녕하세요, Kizel and Eliza.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Masay oras klase ninyo, Inday?
Alas 9 at alas 10. Sabi rin?
Mm.
Alas 9 alas 10.
9 to 10 PM. Sige. Okay ra mo? Wala init? Manamog kaon? Okay. So I'm here to deliver the donut. One set for Kizel and also for Eliza. Okay. And that is from Tysonim.
Uncle Tyso님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Teacher Fem.
안녕하세요.
Okay. So I'm here for Angeline.
Okay.
Angeline is
Not yet around. Maybe they go there in Jollibee together with their parents for their mission after they PNB account.
so please relay.
Okay.
This is 2,000 pesos for internet installation for her house.
Okay.
Okay.
And it is from
And that is from We Paramnim.
We Paramnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다
Okay.
for the internet installment for Angeline's house.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Christopher. So, Christopher, since you are not in the live today, so choosing Jin Tim Jang Nim or choosing Jin Nim gives you 1,000 pesos for your monthly allowance or monthly donation. 감사합니다. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Galena. So, mana kasi mo work? Done?
Yes, I am done with
Okay, so since you are not there in the live, so Calibro Name gives you 4,000 pesos for your monthly donation. Please give ate. Okay.
Okay. Kalibranim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
And 2,000 pesos from Lilac Name, monthly donation.
랄락님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Hi Inday, so I heard that you want to join the study room, no? So, ano mong pangalan?
My name is Joanna Jane B. Orcales.
Joanna?
Johanna Jane.
Johanna, okay. Johanna, pila na imong edad? How old are you?
12.
12 years old. So, bago lang ka ni graduate?
Yes, sir.
Grade 6? Ah, okay. So, asa mo ka nakadungog about sa study room?
Ni Risa June.
Risa, okay, special student. So, unsa man classmate mo?
Sa Granger.
Sa eskwelahan? Dili. Pero pareha mo grade 6 no, nang graduate. Okay. Silingan mo. Okay. Neighbors. Sige. So, in order nga makasunod ka sa study room, kanang I have to give you 10 multiplication questions. And if you can answer all of the 10 questions, then you will be able to enter the study room. Sige, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Sige, 7 times 7.
49.
Okay. 4 times 3.
12.
12. 6 times 2.
12.
Correct. 3 times 8.
24.
Okay. 5 times 8.
40.
Okay. 2 times 5.
10.
8 times 4.
32.
Okay. 6 times 7.
42.
9 times 3.
27.
27. Okay. 3 times 3.
9.
Okay. Very good. So, naka-answer mo ka sa 10 nga questions. You will, okay ka maka-start tomorrow? Makapil na ka sa klase tomorrow? Okay, sige. So, our schedule will be 2 to 3 p.m. and schedules for special students. Okay? Sige. Welcome! Thank you!
안녕하세요. 김용서님, 감사합니다. Thank you for the milk tea.
Bye-bye! 감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Sandrinim. So I am here to say thank you so much for the things that I received, especially to my laptop, because it's very useful for my education, and to the things that you gave to me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I am very blessed, grateful, and thankful. So bye-bye. 감사합니다. Thank you.
Stephen is now next for Tuli with my daughter Claire assistant. Gikulbaan ko, nagtanaw. Because this is only my lato-lato. Good, he's not crying. My son is so brave, not crying. So proud of you, Stephen.
These are the regular class, and today's Friday, and today is math day, and they're answering PEMDAS today. Ashley, Jaylee, Shane, Samantha, Jaydan, Shane, Shira, Angel, and Arjane.